Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car of the 2019 G20 320D M Sport Xdrive, presented in the fantastic Portimao blue. This vehicle features some absolutely incredible and very sought after BMW options alongside the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. There at the front of the vehicle you can see the LED headlights, and we'll just take you in for a close-up look at not only the beautiful gloss black kidney grills, but there in between those is one of the many cameras on this car as part of the Parking Assist Plus package. Behind the 19-inch 791M alloy wheels are the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful 3 Series we've got the full M Sport Plus package. Down the side you can see the gloss black sidebars are satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. And if we show you over the top of the car, there you can see the glass sunroof as part of the premium package on this 3 Series. As we head towards the car, you will notice the mirrors are folded in, and I'm going to demonstrate why shortly. Side view cameras as well. Comfort access package, again you can see that in operation now, and the mirrors nicely fold out. Inside we've got an Oyster Vanensky leather with both the heated and electric movement and memory options, as well as my personal favourite, which is the M seatbelt option. Really nice little feature, makes all the difference to your interior, and of course the ambient lighting illuminating the interior very well there. And thanks to that glass sunroof, of course, that's letting in a huge amount of natural light as well. You do also get the Harman Kardon surround sound thanks to another package on this car, which is the Tech Pack, something I shall show you more of shortly. For rear passengers, you'll find an exceptionally spacious and comfortable 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench, which is of course also equipped with the M seat belts. You do now get on the G20s the digital adjustment and climate control panel for rear passengers. Heading round to the back of the car, showing you off once again the 19-inch alloys, which are all like new. They've also all the way around got the Pirelli run flat tyres, M rear spoiler, 3-dimensional rear lights, Xdrive badge in there. There is the rear facing reversing camera. As part of the M Sport Plus package, the exhaust tips are finished in gloss black. Also, automatic opening and closing tailgate, as you can see there. You now get split folding seats as standard on the G20 3 Series, and as you can see is a large boot space as well. Whilst that boot closes down, I'll head on to the driver's side, and as you can see, that Portimao blue is absolutely stunning, especially with the additions that ourselves have made. The G20 itself is an already very striking looking car. If you've not yet seen one in person, you'll be blown away should you choose to come and view this one. Taking you over the top quickly now, and as you can see again, how much natural light having that glass sunroof option really does let in. So the special features don't just stop with the outside on this car. As we take a seat inside, we're greeted by the wonderful live cockpit, which again not only gives you a huge amount of information, does also just really finish the interior look off. Cover just over 11,000 miles. Touchscreen, professional wide navigation and media screen. That also incorporates a lot of multimedia information, as well as a lot of customization. So we'll quickly just demonstrate the gesture control. If we can, we'll just quickly turn that up and demonstrate that for you, and quickly turn that down for obvious copyright reasons. I can't have it on for too long. Back out of there now and demonstrating the home menu. This is all interchangeable, so it's much like your smartphone devices. You can customize these tabs to something of your own preference. Utilizing the touchscreen capability at its most in the sat nav, as you can see, tapping into set destinations. However, if you'd prefer to use the iDrive scroll wheel, it is still provided. Just in front of that is a wireless charging tray to place your mobile device on there, keep that charged up, whilst of course being paired via Bluetooth telephone and Bluetooth audio, as well as Apple CarPlay on this vehicle. Let's go on and check out the cameras now. So as well as having an automatic mode for the 360 view, so should I drive forward now, it will detect that the object in front is closest. Let's just demonstrate that. There you go, straight away it's picked it up the moment I've put the car in drive. Put it back in park to stop it beeping away at us. We can have the option for a 3D view. Again, you can control this with the gesture control, but I'm going to quickly just demonstrate it using the iDrive scroll wheel. So I can choose exactly which point around the car I would like, and it uses all of the cameras to replicate a full 360 view of around the car. This is really useful for those tight spaces, or again it is just really nice to show off the exterior of your car. Back to the vehicle itself, it is coming up for its first service, and that will be carried out very shortly, so that'll be all up to date on the iDrive. So there is a look around at this fantastic G20 320D XDRIVE M Sport, to give it its full title. We mustn't forget to show you the head-up display. Currently that's just displaying the vehicle's road speed and the speed limit for the road we are on. However, of course, should you have a sat-nav route set, it will also display that as well as that being displayed down here in your live cockpit as well. Heated M Sport steering wheel, I can't forget that one as well. So as I said, this is a hugely Spec 3 series, and one that is not to be missed out on. I'll pop the sunroof up into the tilt so you can see how that looks now. As always, if you'd like some more information on this wonderful 3 series, simply click the links below. That'll take you over to our website and you can view all of the relevant information. From us all here at Your Next Car, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.